Canadians fight back against Trump's tariffs.
Before details, please subscribe our CIS News Studio 1s channel. News details.
As U.S. President Donald Trump escalated tariff threats and economic pressure on Canada, some Canadians took a stand. Graham Palmateer, owner of Graham's Pizza in Toronto, decided to boycott American products, swapping Californian tomatoes for Italian ones. Ohio-made pepperoni for local meats, and Coca-Cola for Canadian maple-sweetened sparkling water. His move reflects a growing wave of resistance across the country, where frustration has turned into action, once known for their politeness. Canadians are now showing their anger by supporting domestic and international alternatives over U.S. goods.
Do not forget to subscribe our CIS News Studio 1s channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.